In this video I will show you the post-rental functions of our Dynarin solution. So what can we do when equipment is returned? This is this step of the process. But also, of course, what is the status? If it's early, maybe we need to credit the customer, or maybe there's a problem with the equipment. So for that, we have this process. So if we want to do work orders before the return, we can do that. So we can do some inspections, maybe do some work as well to prepare for the next rental job. That can be done via the work order. If it's returned, we can also do inspections, see if the quality is good. Then we can update it. If it's damaged and have a problem, maybe need to invoice the customer. If there's a remainder, when do we expect that return? If equipment got lost, what should we do then? And there can be, of course, update the rental order and charge the customer. And in some cases, we also get more back that we rented out. So that will be then updated in our inventory. These inspections, and at the end, if that is done, then we can do a financial closing and we can do the crediting. I will show you some of these parts in a demo. Here you see again my rental order, and now I have some invoice periods open still, and that's what you see here. Those invoice periods are fully done until the 3rd, but now the customer decided he wants to get our equipment back earlier. So on the 3rd it was, and then I would say I'm gonna change my other one. I need to change my date, and I would say, well, the offer-end date is not the 16th now, it will be the 31st. And I confirm. Of course I need to populate who asked me that, and that was case in this case again, and I press OK. Now the equipment will be returned and we can start doing the crediting job. If I take a look at my invoice periods now, you will see that there's a pending cancellation for these dates. And let's do that. So I can create an invoice again, but then it will be a crediting invoice. I will put it into, say, the 10th. I say OK, and the credit will be started and sent to the customer this way. If I navigate back to my rental orders and my rental order here, and I say rental invoice periods, you see nicely that these invoices have been cancelled and credited. And of course it has updated the general ledger as well. I told you there are different possibilities to return your rental. We also have a nice rental journal where you can manage the good quantity, damaged quantity, lost, scrapped and surplus. That is there. And also there will be a rental app where we can do a rental return. If you want to do it on a handheld device in a more store scenario, you can scan the object. You can see, okay, what is going to be returned of that rental order. We can see still pictures. We can inspect it if there's work required. And we can report the work, maybe update meter values if applicable. And then we can do a full rental return. Possibly if there's damage, we can also take a picture, of course, from the mobile device, and that will be then in our document handling attached to the rental order. This was the end of this video, and thank you for watching.